If you have $100,000 to invest, you might be asking yourself, what's the best place to put my money? Now, whether you're new to investing or you're looking for better ways to grow your wealth, we've got some great ideas for you. In this video, we're going to explore a few options for investing $100K that could really help you maximize returns while managing risk. So let's dive in. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes. So here are 5 solid investment ideas for your 100K. So number 1 is stock market investments. So buying stocks of companies that have a strong history of growth. Get a bundle like an S&P 500. Number 2, real estate. Purchasing property or investing in real estate funds for steady cash flow and value growth. Number 3 is bonds. Safer than stocks, bonds can offer predictable income with less risk. And the 4th is mutual funds and ETFs. So you diversify your portfolio with these funds that invest in a wide range of assets. I love that one. Number 5 is starting a business. If you're entrepreneurial, if you're an entrepreneur, owning your own business can potentially bring huge returns. And just remember, investing smartly with 100K can give you the financial freedom that you dream of. So take your time, research, find out what really works best for you. It's different for everybody. So if you like this video, if you got any value from it, leave me a like. I love you.